Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna help out personal trainers. All right, if you're a personal trainer looking for ways to make money, advertise your business online, this is the video for you. All right, first of all, real quick, this video is close to the heart because I was a personal trainer for many years. Still consider myself to be a personal trainer, but you know, I'm doing other things. Still got my YouTube fitness channel, Team BTFL. You can check that out if you want. So how this video came to be was a friend of mine I was talking to, and she was telling me that her boyfriend just started, well, he just got certified as a personal trainer, and he really wanted to promote his fitness business online, and he really had no clue, you know, where to start, right? So I got him on the phone. We talked for about a half hour. I gave him some quick little tips. And after I got the phone, I'm like, yo, this would be a good video topic for personal trainers. So hopefully this will help you out. All right. So the first thing I told him to do is become an affiliate, right? Become an affiliate for several different websites, products, services. If you don't know what an affiliate is, it's basically someone who promotes a product or service, and every time they sell it, they get a commission. All right. So I told him, I said, you can become an affiliate at places like Amazon.com, Walmart.com, even eBay. You can become an affiliate. Dick's Sporting Goods. Or you can even do just a simple Google search and just put fitness related affiliate programs. And you just want to sign up with, you know, 3 to 4 programs. Why you want to become an affiliate? Because sometimes, you know, maybe you don't have a lot of clients, or maybe you're not teaching a lot of classes or whatever, you know, with your fitness business, but you still could be earning income, you know, from making affiliate sales, right? So this is why you want to, you know, build other income streams with your fitness business. All right. Now keep in mind with Amazon, you can become an Amazon affiliate, but Amazon, their commissions are trash, but it is super easy to promote affiliate links. And if you can, you know, sell like high ticket fitness products like treadmills and, you know, ellipticals and stuff like that, then it could be worth your while. But just keep that in mind. All right. So the second thing I told him to do is get you a YouTube channel right now. Regardless of how you feel about YouTube, some people love it, some people hate it. I feel like every business should have a YouTube channel, right? So I told him, I said, listen, it's super easy. If you got a Gmail account, you basically already have a YouTube account, right? So create your YouTube account based around your brand, whatever your fitness brand name is. You got a logo, put it up there as your default picture, all that stuff. Take the time to go through your YouTube channel and put a paragraph about your fitness business in the About section. Make sure that in every video you upload, you put information about your fitness business. Put your Facebook info, Instagram. If you got a website, put all of that in every video, right? When you start your YouTube channel. So I told them, as soon as you get your YouTube channel set up, take your phone, right? Whatever kind of phone you got, shoot a quick little intro video. It could be 2 minutes, right? Hey, I'm so-and-so from so-and-so fitness. So excited about starting my YouTube channel. This is where you're going to get some of the best workouts and weight loss information anywhere online. Be sure to subscribe, blah, 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 right? Do that now. I told him, I said, do that as soon as you hang up the phone, because you want to have, you know, some sort of content on your YouTube channel, right? I also told him, whenever your intro video to your YouTube, to that first video, make sure, you know, it has, you know, the words fitness or weight loss, strength conditioning, whatever in the title of your intro video, right? You want to get content going. And a lot of people, you know, hesitate on YouTube because they overthink it, right? They're like, oh, I created a channel, but like, oh, I gotta wait, I gotta plan my first video, and I gotta do this and I gotta do that. You can get your first video up in 15 minutes, right? Just upload it, get content on there. All right. So the next thing I told him to do is, you got your Facebook account or whatever your social media account you like to use. but I think YouTube is still good for promoting like a fitness brand. All right. So I told them on your Facebook page, you want to start posting 3 types of videos on your Facebook page, right? The first type of video you want to do is videos where you're working out, right? You're working out, or even sharing just simple, workout tips, weight loss tips, whatever, right? Videos that just you working out or sharing tips, right? The second types of videos that you want to post are videos of you training someone, right? You want to show you being in action. You want to show how you get down, what kind of trainer you are. And keep in mind, these don't have to be long videos. It could be 3 to 5 minute videos of you training someone. Now you might be thinking, well, whoa. I don't got no clients, bro. Like I can't, I'm new. I don't got no clients yet. Find somebody, a family member, a friend, a girlfriend, whoever, just show you training. It don't even got to be like a real session. Just show you training someone, because people don't know who that person is. All people going to see is, oh, this dude training somebody. Oh, okay, cool, right? The third type of video that you want to post are review videos. And this is where your affiliate links can come into play. So as a personal trainer, you can do reviews on so many different topics. I mean, you can review supplements. You can review new workout programs. You can review equipment. You can just review other people's training styles. You name it. I mean, it's just endless when it comes to that, right? So you want to post reviews. You're trying a new protein supplement. You're trying a new protein bar. You're trying a new treadmill at the gym, right? Do short reviews and make sure that you post your affiliate links, around those videos, right? Now those same videos, definitely those review videos and training videos, you want to put all of those videos on your YouTube account. Okay? So you could even start off by putting those videos on your YouTube channel, and then put those videos on your Facebook account. Now listen, this is very important. Do not take the YouTube links and just post them on your Facebook. You want to take the same video file that you uploaded to YouTube. Take that video file and upload it natively to your Facebook page. Like upload it like originally on Facebook, right? Because Facebook don't like YouTube links. It's a big deal. Just trust me on that. So take the same video you upload on YouTube, upload that to your Facebook. Use hashtags related to personal training. Hashtag personal trainer. Hashtag personal trainer near me. Hashtag weight loss in wherever you're located. Whatever. Use hashtags on your Facebook and your TikTok, all your social media. Use descriptive titles, in your Facebook videos and all that stuff. And be sure to, comment, respond to people when they, when they comment on your videos. Make sure to like those comments and respond to comments, right? Also, after a day or two, reshare your videos that you posted. If you posted a video on Monday, reshare it again on Thursday, right? If no one's really responding to it. All right. So those are some things that you can do starting now to start getting traction to your fitness business. Okay. Another thing I told them too, by the way, is you want to mix up posting those types of videos, right? Once a week, do a review video, review Monday. You could post a training video on Wednesday, post a tips video on Friday or whatever. Now, as a personal trainer, you might be like, well, when do I get to promote my service? When do I get to put up my video promo or my flyer promo, right? Sprinkle those in, right? So whether it be once a week, right? Once a week, or maybe even once every 2 weeks, you do a straight up promo post. That's when you post, hey, I'm doing personal training, $30 sessions. I'm doing discount trainings, or I'm doing free sessions. Do that like once a week, once every, other week. Really go hard with the promo, because people are more likely going to start inquiring about your services from you working out videos, from you training other people videos, and from review videos, because people are going to start looking at you as an authority in the fitness, industry. And that's how you can get clients just from that. All right. So it's a lot of information, but it's very simple to start doing. Basically, all you need to start doing, create your YouTube channel, create a video, start posting video content on your Facebook, and you will start getting attraction to your fitness business. All right. Now, if you want another way that you can start earning some money on the side as you grow your fitness business, you definitely want to check this video out right